In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create and set up your ChatGPT account. So first, you want to head over to chatgpt.com. And here, when you land on the home page, you'll see over here at the top right hand corner, you can either log in or sign up and create an account. So first, we're going to actually sign up and create an account, where I use Google Sign In to create mine. And there you have it. Once your account is created, you will see your home page and your dashboard. So before we start using the tool, diving right into starting a chat, let me just give you a quick tour of some of the features that you will mainly be using in ChatGPT. First, over here to my right hand side, you see the letter S. This is my icon for my profile. When I click on my profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear with options. I can explore GPTs, I can customize my ChatGPT account for when I'm creating chats, and there are settings and several other things that you can explore. Also, feel free to pause this video at any time as we go through these steps. So first, my GPTs, I just want to cover very quickly. My GPTs are like mini ChatGPTs. You can create, see here it says discover and create custom versions of ChatGPT that combine instructions, extra knowledge, and any combination of skills. So you can find GPTs that have been trained specifically on writing, productivity. You can search here, or you can go ahead on the Plus plan and create your own if you want to train your own GPT. Okay, so let's say I want to use, let's say GPT for writing. I can click here, and these have been trained most likely very well on doing things for me. See, write for me, write tailored, engaging content with a focus on quality, relevance, and precise word count. And so you can see how many conversations this GPT has. It's number 1 in writing, its ratings, and this is how you can check out to see if you want to move forward and try it out for yourself. Okay, now back to the home page. Here, over here, is the sidebar, and this is the icon where you will open and close your sidebar. And what lives in your sidebar is your chat history. When you create different chats, you'll be able to see them all here. The search icon is so that when you do have maybe a good number of chats already created, you'll be able to type in keywords that will help you find chats that you've had in the past. And then this icon, this will help you start a brand new chat. Okay, let's go back to the dashboard. All right, here it says ChatGPT right here with this drop down arrow. Whenever you're getting ready to start a new chat and you want to change your model that you'll be using, which is up here, this is how you do that. So ChatGPT, and just like some other AI tools out there, they have different models. Some of the models have more advanced reasoning. So some of the answers that you get back will be better quality, and you may prefer them over some of the other ones. Or even the free one is still powerful. This one says great for everyday tasks. And this model here, the Plus version, says our smartest model and more. And so when you upgrade, you will unlock a couple of more advanced models. Okay, now let's move down here where it says, what can I help you with? So right here, this is really cool because the developers made it really easy for us to understand and know exactly what they want us to do and what, and draw that attention. So lots of white space, and then you have this chat box right here, and then that question, what can I help you with? Very simple, right? What can I help you with today? And so that's where you would begin your chat. You can either begin typing here in the chat box, or you can click here and use voice mode and just kind of speak right into it and use natural language to start your chat. Some of these other icons here, if you want to start a chat about a document, let's say you want to upload your business plan, ChatGPT has the power to read and analyze, understand very large files, lots of text at once. So if you have a 12-page, 10-page document that's very detailed, You can actually attach that document here and begin that chat using that document, talking to ChatGPT about it. Tools. So ChatGPT also too has the ability to generate images using Dolly. And so if you want to generate images, where you say, please generate an image of, a rabbit hopping through the forest, ChatGPT will do its best. Dolly will do its best to generate an image as best as possible based on your imagination. Okay. And you can search the web now using ChatGPT in real time. And Canvas, which I have not started using, but I do know that these tools, a lot of AI tools, are very powerful with writing code. ChatGPT can do that. And here's just the icon again to search the web again. Okay. All right. So here's some other features down here, to help you get started, or, help you with ideas on what you'd like to get started with. Now that you've seen the interface, let's understand what ChatGPT actually is before we start using it. Okay. So number one, it's an AI tool, and it's not considered traditional computer software. Okay. Because of its differences and its capabilities. I asked ChatGPT to, tell me how much knowledge are you trained on? And it said, I quote, as of today, that it has enough text to fill the equivalent of millions of books. So think of millions of books when you think millions of books when you think of how much data it's been trained on. Okay. So when you begin using ChatGPT, that is the knowledge base that you're tapping into, but in the form of a conversation, and with the ability to take that conversation in so many different directions. Okay. So how do you start and where do you start, right? Right here in the chat box, right? That's actually what makes using AI so fun. All you have to do is start your chat and you type in the chat box. Okay. So one of the things I really like to do is teach. And this is how I use ChatGPT to help me create an outline for a course. Okay. So let's say I want to create a course. Please give me an outline. The title of my course is AI Tools for Business Success. Okay. Now, this is really cool because I love using AI tools. I think they're so fun. You can either create, and you could give this thing as many instructions as you want. You can say, give me a course that has 10 modules, or give me a course that has 6 lessons, and you can say, give me something that will, that will have placeholders where I can record my screen, or just give me lecture style only, content. I'm just going to say, 6 lessons and lecture style only. And let's see what it says. Cool. All right. So this is pretty cool. Okay. Oh, the outline provides a comprehensive framework of more in-depth guide. Okay, great. Okay, so I like this. So it says creating a course titled AI Tools for Business Success is a commendable initiative that can provide significant value to professionals seeking to leverage artificial intelligence in their business operations. Here's the structured outline for a 6-lesson lecture style course. AI Tools for Business Success. This course offers an in-depth exploration of how artificial intelligence tools can be harnessed to drive business success. Participants will gain insights into, that's another thing too, I really like to tweak sometimes my instructions. I'll say, hey, natural language, or keep it a 5th grade reading level, or readability, reader friendly. I like to put the things in there like that too, in case I want to provide, sometimes you'll do a video lesson, but then sometimes you'll do some text underneath, right? So this is good. This is good. I really like the direction. But sometimes if this isn't going in the direction that you want it to, the more information that you give to the chat box and within the conversation, the more information that you give it, the more context, the better your outcome will be and more in alignment with what you're looking for. Okay? So let's just scroll down to the bottom, see here what it said at the bottom. This outline provides a comprehensive framework for a more in-depth guide on creating online courses with AI. You might find the following resource helpful. And so they did try to find resources that they thought would, they did. Like, okay, so Perplexity does one of this. Okay. All right, awesome. So this is it. This is how you set up your ChatGPT account and how you begin using ChatGPT. Okay. Join me in the next video and hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my tips, especially on AI for business owners.